Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today we are going to show you how to generate a walk list. And what you can notice is right now our campaign is loading, and it will automatically start processing. The speed of the processing will really depend on how big the file size is, and this is the one time you really need to do it. Later the data will be preloaded into the walk list, and so when you're ready, click the button create walk list, and then it will come with a guiding workflow. And what you can see here is you can create different user groups, and the different user groups can segregate the data into different buckets or different areas, and it can later be presented in the different areas on the map. And the user groups can also be connected and used to kind of display what their order is from the largest group to the smallest. And an example that you might have is in a city, you might have a few school districts, and the school district might have 2 or 3 zip codes, precincts, and street names. And so it can sometimes be helpful to just separate these data into different groups or different categories that you can use. And there's a lot of good stuff you can do with it and have it show up on your map and organize it. And our data in this instance is identical, so we can't really create a lot of groups to help us. They won't be very helpful. So we will click on go to map settings, and here we will leave the setting at default. You can alter the labels if you want that you have, and you can also notice your map and the information on your map, and you can decide your resize or debate markers. And there are 2 tabs. The first one applies only to the digital map settings, whereas the second one applies to the digital map and PDF settings. And you can add more info that you personally find interesting to the map markers. And the PDF map settings might appear as a question for you, and when you're looking at the PDF map settings, some of the areas might appear as questions. If you don't like that, you can change it to say whatever you want, and then when you're ready, you can move to preview. The preview will generate the list, and the list will start processing. And thank you, and have a good day.